Hello, my name is Jacob from Shape Robotics. In this video I will tell you about the Fable robot and how to program it. Okay, so the first thing we will do is to download the program. So I went into our website shaperobotics.com and I have to go to Support, Download. Then I have to choose between Windows or Mac OS. If you have a newer Windows 10 computer, it will normally be 64. But I choose Mac OS since it's that kind of computer I'm on. So after the program is downloaded and installed, I opened it. It's called Fable Blockly. And I will now walk you through some of the basics. Up here we have the play button or the start button where I can start my program. When the program is started, it will turn into a red stop button, so it's also here that I turn the program off. Here I can save my code. Here I can open a code that is already saved on the computer. I can delete my code, and here I have settings. Here I have a camera icon, but I will come back to that in a later video. And here I can choose between a simple version, and if I click it, I can choose a full version. So if I turn it on, you can see that there will be a lot of more things to choose over here. And I also have a Python version. And if I click this, it will open up in a new window. So I can here I can write text programming. So I will go back to the simple version. Here in the left side we have the menu where we can see the control, and you can see it's kind of like blocks or bricks that you can pull here into the white area, and I have different kind of things that I can choose. So if I take the actions, I can take for example a move block and pull it into the white area here, and I can choose which angle I would like my robot, my joint module to go to. So if I choose 60 here in the X motor, I will leave the Y motor for 0, and then I have to choose here which joint module that I'm using. So if I take this drop down menu, there's I choose this PCA. This is what my joint module is called. So now if I go up to this to the right corner, I can see here that I have a dongle, which is okay, and I have what kind of modules. I can see the joint module PCA, and I can see that it is 97% charged, so it's ready to be programmed. The name of the robot you can see on the back of it. So back to the program. So when I choose to hit play, it should run the code. So the next thing we want to do is to get the robot to go back to where it came from. So I go up to actions again, and I choose another move block, and I pull it underneath here, so it says click. And I choose 0 and 0 here, and then I have to choose my PCA again. But I have a problem, because now I tell the robot to go to 60 on the X motor and on 0 on the X motor at the same time. That's not possible. So I have to put a wait block in between these two. That's found here in control. I choose wait in seconds, and I put it in between the two blocks here, like this. So now it will go to 60 on the X, then wait a second, and then go back to 0.0.